Mini Gus Autonomous Sprayer. The Mini Gus is a driverless agricultural sprayer designed for vineyards and orchards. Powered by a 173 horsepower engine and equipped with GPS and LiDAR, it autonomously navigates fields, enabling one operator to control up to 8 units simultaneously for efficient and precise spraying. Elphinstone WR810. Water cannon designed for underground operations, the Elphinstone WR810 features an 8,000-liter water tank and 10.5 bar of pressure, making it perfect for cleaning and dust suppression. With an 8-meter telescopic boom controlled remotely, it ensures operator safety, while its climate-controlled cab, seating 3, provides comfort during grueling tasks. Technocar CMR Mobile Diagnostic Unit. The Technocar CMR Mobile Diagnostic Unit is a cutting-edge mobile workshop capable of inspecting brakes, running gear, and underbodies of vehicles. Equipped with a wide-angle camera and onboard computer, it brings efficiency to inspections, allowing operators to initiate the process with the press of a button. Air BP Refueler. Australia's first fully electric refueler, the Air BP, has revolutionized aviation by eliminating emissions during aircraft refueling. Operating on high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, it runs all day and recharges overnight, bringing sustainability to Brisbane Airport since 2022. TV1000. The TV1000 is a snow-clearing marvel built for airports, capable of tackling 2-meter-high snowdrifts in one pass. Powered by 2 diesel engines with a combined 1,000 horsepower, it clears an astounding 7,500 tons of snow per hour and reaches speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. Its adjustable cab provides excellent visibility, while hydraulic suspension minimizes vibrations, ensuring smooth operation in the harshest conditions. Bullmore EQ120 Forklift. Capable of lifting 25 tons, the Bullmore EQ120 is an electric forklift built for heavy-duty tasks. It features anti-vibration technology, climate control, and 3 driving modes: Eco, Power, and Boost, ensuring optimal performance and comfort for operators. Holzel RSP Suction Excavator. The Holzel RSP Suction Excavator is a precision tool for jobs requiring delicate handling, such as tree root removal and pipe repair. It uses powerful suction to remove particles up to 25 centimeters, reaching distances of 50 meters horizontally and 30 meters vertically without damaging infrastructure. Menzimuk M5X. Built for steep terrains, the Menzimuk M5X features sliding axles and hydraulic stops, allowing it to tackle slopes of up to 45 degrees. Its extendable base ensures stability, making it ideal for construction, forestry, and agricultural projects in rugged environments. Quadtrac 715. The Quadtrac 715 by Case 1H is a farming giant with 778 horsepower and 4 tracks for maximum stability. Its design minimizes ground pressure, while a suspension-mounted cab and LED headlights provide operators with a smooth and efficient work experience. Lissebach SF-132. The Lissebach SF-132. Self-propelled bale press is engineered for steep slopes, with 132 horsepower and 4-wheel hydrostatic drive. Lightweight and efficient, it wraps and nets hay in one pass, leaving fields clean and ready for winter. MST-028. The MST-028 snow compressor transforms loose snow into smooth, hard-packed surfaces for winter roads. Designed in Russia, this rugged machine handles icy conditions with ease, boasting superior off-road capabilities for challenging environments. Gantry RG500. The Gantry RG500 is a precision farming machine with a 36-meter working width and 12,000-liter seed tanks. Its advanced GPS system ensures consistent seed placement, while its lightweight design minimizes soil compaction for more efficient and sustainable agriculture. PlantMax X2. The PlantMax X2 is an innovative reforestation machine capable of planting up to 2,500 seedlings per hour. Mounted on an 8x8 Buffalo King forwarder, it uses robotic arms to analyze soil quality and plant with precision, supporting large-scale environmental restoration efforts. Heli Shuttle. The Heli Shuttle is a specialized vehicle for transporting helicopters without disassembly. With a low-frame trailer that extends up to 14 meters, it securely fastens aircraft of all sizes, eliminating the need for cranes or additional equipment. Braun 585 Drainage Plow. The Braun 585 is a heavy-duty drainage plow designed for deep soil work with a maximum plow depth of 2.2 meters. Equipped with a self-leveling track system and high-powered engines, it delivers unmatched stability and efficiency on challenging terrains. Easy Moves Home Transport. Easy Moves specializes in relocating pre-assembled homes across New Zealand, using powerful semi-trailers capable of transporting houses up to 10 meters wide. For larger homes, sections are divided and reassembled on-site, making the process seamless and efficient. MTT Eurolift Recovery Truck. The MTT Eurolift Recovery Truck clears roads quickly by loading vehicles in just 60 seconds. Controlled from the cab with joysticks and cameras, this advanced recovery solution ensures safety and prevents long traffic jams in busy city areas. The Normet Udimec XL1000 is an eco-friendly underground concrete mixer with a 10 cubic meter drum. Built on an electrodynamic platform, it minimizes emissions, while its hydraulic chute and remote control ensure precise mortar delivery in confined spaces. Sandvik D L422 IE. The Sandvik D L422IE is an automated mining rig designed to operate in tunnels as small as 4 meters high. This battery-powered machine drills holes up to 54 meters deep, with remote operation capabilities that prioritize safety and efficiency in underground mining. 5700-D Curb and Gutter Machine. The 5700-D curb machine is compact yet powerful, excelling at installing curbs on tight spaces like parking lots and islands. Its slip control system and conveyor-fed concrete system make it a top choice for road construction projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to discover more incredible machines and technologies.